Hi everyone, I'm Ayur Sandesh from Greaton, studying in Shri Shakti International School. I'm here to give an awareness of the importance of an Indian state through a video presentation. The state about which this presentation is about is Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the second most populous state in India as well as the second most populous country subdivision in the world. It was formed on 1 May 1960 by splitting the bilingual Bombay state into majority Marathi speaking Maharashtra and Gujarati speaking Gujarat. Maharashtra is divided into 6 divisions and 36 districts, with the state capital being Mumbai, which is also the most populous urban area in India, and Nagpur as its winter capital. Location of Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western and central peninsular region of India, occupying a substantial position of the Deccan Plateau. Latitudinal extent of Maharashtra is 15 degree 37 north to 22 degree 6 north, and longitudinal extent of Maharashtra is 72 degree 36 east to 80 degree 54 east. It shares its boundaries with states such as Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, and it is bordered by the Arabian Sea. Important politicians and politics in Maharashtra. Uddhav Bala Saheb Thackeray is an Indian politician who is the current Chief Minister and the 19th Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He belongs to the party Shiv Sena and he is also the president of Shiv Sena party. The present ruling party of Maharashtra is Shiv Sena and the opposition party is BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is an Indian politician, is serving as the current and 22nd governor of Maharashtra since 2019. State symbols of Maharashtra. State animal Indian giant squirrel. State bird yellow-footed green pigeon. State tree mango tree. And state flower jarul. Important tourist spots. Here are some top places to visit in Maharashtra. Ajanta and Ellora caves, which are World Heritage Sites. Mahabaleshwar Hill Station, Rajmachi Hill Station, Aurangabad City and its outskirts, Pune City and its outskirts, Tadoba Andhari Tiger Reserve, Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Malvan Marine Sanctuary, Shirdi and Nasik, which are pilgrimage sites, the Gateway of India, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, the Bibika Maqbara. Culture of Maharashtra. Cultural dance. Lavani is the cultural dance of Maharashtra. Lavani is the combination of traditional dance and song which is particularly performed to the beats of dolki, a percussion instrument. Lavani is noted for its powerful rhythm. Cultural songs. Lavani and Povada are the most popular folk songs which entertain village people in Maharashtra. Baleri, a folk song, is sung to cheer up the farmers working in the field. Ektara is a stringed instrument made up of string, bamboo, and parchment. This traditional instrument is found in Maharashtra. Majorly a drone instrument, it is used by traditional folk singers of Maharashtra. Language. The official language of Maharashtra is Marathi, although different regions have their own dialects. It is native to Maharashtra and it is its main language. Traditional dress of Maharashtra. Traditional male dress in Maharashtra includes a dhoti, also known as dhotar, while a choli and a 9-yard sari, locally known as Naurari sari or lukda, is for women. Traditional food. The most famous foods are bhaji, pav bhaji, vada pav and masal pav. More traditional dishes are khichdi, pohe, upma, pani puri and shira. Most Marathi fast food and snacks are lacto-vegetarian. Festivals in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi is the most important festival in Maharashtra. It is celebrated for 10 days with a huge fun fair. Other than this, Hindu Marathi people celebrate various festivals around the year. This include Gudi Padwa, Ram Navami, Hanuman Jayanti, Narali Paurnima, Mangala Gaur, Janmashtami, Holi, Ganeshotsav, Diwali, Kojagiri, Makar Sankranti and Shivaratri. Educational institutions in Maharashtra. Maharashtra has 24 universities. The University of Mumbai is the largest university in the world in terms of number of graduates. Maharashtra is also notable to such autonomous institutes such as Indian Institute of Technology IIT Bombay, Indian Institute of Management IIM Nagpur, Armed Forces Medical College AFMC Pune, BJMC BJ Government Medical College Pune, etc. I hope there is enough information in this presentation and this will help you to know more about Maharashtra and give enough knowledge to plan a vacation trip to Maharashtra. Thank you. Have a nice day.